Have you ever felt like your parents just don't understand? Like they're always telling you what to do? Let me tell you a story about the most beautiful gift you've ever received. When you were tiny, so tiny you fit in your mother's arms, she held you close every single night, even when she was so tired. Your father worked hard, day after day, just to make sure you had food to eat, clothes to wear, a warm place to sleep. When you took your very first steps, do you know who was there? Holding your little hands, cheering for you, catching you every time you fell. When you were sick and couldn't sleep, who stayed awake with you? Singing softly, stroking your hair, wishing they could take away your pain. But sometimes as we grow bigger and older, we forget. We forget how much they gave. We forget how much they still give. There's a beautiful verse in the Quran in Surah Al-Isra, verse 24. Allah tells us, "Lower to them the wing of humility out of mercy and say, 'My Lord, have mercy upon them as they brought me up when I was small.'" The wing of humility, like a bird gently folding its wings to protect what it loves most. That's how we should be with our parents, gentle, kind, grateful. Because they gave you everything when you had nothing. They loved you before you could even say, "I love you" back. So today, right now, go give them a hug. Tell them thank you. Show them the same kindness they showed you. Because that's what Allah asks of us. And that's the most beautiful thing we can do.